Renew your body with these 5 healthy foods. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're excited to feel renewed, revitalized, and full of energy, then you've come to the right place. Today, we are diving into an exciting topic. Renew your body with these 5 healthy foods. This video is packed with tips and insights on how to supercharge your health, glow from the inside out, and boost your energy, all by simply incorporating 5 powerful foods into your daily meals. Sounds amazing, right? Let's get started. Before we dive into the list, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We've got so many fun and informative videos lined up to keep you inspired on your wellness journey. Let's take a moment to talk about why food is such an essential factor in renewing your body. It's simple. What you eat has a direct impact on how your body feels and functions. Good food fuels your energy, clears your mind, and strengthens your body from the inside out. But here's the best part. Renewing your health through nutrition doesn't have to be complicated or mundane. By making small, consistent changes and adding nutrient-packed foods to your daily routine, you can see incredible transformations in how you feel every single day. And don't worry, there's no need to dive into extreme diets or complicated food plans. We're keeping it simple, sustainable, and fun. Now let's get to the exciting part, our superstar foods. These 5 foods are nutrient warriors that can help refresh your energy levels and optimize your health. Trust me, you'll want to stock up on these goodies the next time you hit the grocery store. First up, we have leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These are true nutrient powerhouses. They're loaded with vitamins A, C, and K and are rich in iron, calcium, and antioxidants. Leafy greens help detoxify your body, boost your energy, and support your immune system. Plus, they're super versatile. You can toss them into a fresh salad, blend them into smoothies, or saute them as a side dish. Pro tip: add a squeeze of lemon or lime to your greens to help your body absorb the iron better. It's a simple trick, but it can make a world of difference for your energy levels. Next, let's talk about nature's candy. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, you name it, are brimming with antioxidants that help fight free radicals, reduce inflammation, and nourish your skin. They're also packed with fiber, supporting healthy digestion and keeping you full longer. If you're looking for a simple way to include these in your diet, try adding berries to your morning oatmeal or tossing them into a yogurt parfait. They're also perfect as an afternoon snack or a refreshing dessert option. And here's a fun fact: frozen berries are just as nutrient-packed as fresh ones, so feel free to stock your freezer for convenience. Now don't let the word fat scare you. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, and seeds, are essential for your body. They improve brain function, promote heart health, and give your skin that radiant glow. Plus, they're incredibly satisfying and can help you avoid sugary cravings. Avocado toast is an obvious classic, but why not get creative? You can blend avocado into smoothies, use it as a spread for wraps, or mix it into pasta sauces for a creamy texture. For nuts and seeds, sprinkle them on salads, stir them into yogurt, or simply snack on a handful for an energy-packed boost. Whole grains are all about providing long-lasting energy and keeping your blood sugar levels stable. Foods like quinoa, brown rice, oatmeal, and whole grain bread are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They're great for digestion, weight management, and reducing the risk of chronic illnesses. Quinoa, in particular, is a fantastic addition to bowls, salads, and even soups. It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all essential amino acids, perfect if you're following a plant-based diet. Oats, on the other hand, make for a simple and nutrient-dense breakfast. Top your oatmeal with berries and nuts, and you're already incorporating multiple foods from this list. Finally, let's talk about fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir. These are full of probiotics, the good bacteria your gut needs to function optimally. And when your gut is healthy, your immune system is stronger, your digestion improves, and your energy levels get a noticeable boost. Not sure how to add fermented foods to your diet? Yogurt is one of the easiest options. Just pair it with some berries and nuts, and you've got a powerhouse breakfast or snack. Kimchi or sauerkraut makes a great side dish for lunch or dinner too. These foods might be small in serving size, but their impact is huge. Now that you know which foods to focus on, let's talk about how to integrate them into your routine with ease. Incorporating healthy habits into your life doesn't have to feel overwhelming. Here are 3 practical strategies you can start using today. Hydration is key. Always pair healthy eating with plenty of water. Staying hydrated helps your body absorb nutrients better and keeps you feeling revitalized. Mindful pairing. Certain food combinations can amplify their benefits. For example, pair leafy greens with a source of healthy fat, like olive oil or avocado, to maximize nutrient absorption. Meal prep for success. Dedicate 1 day a week to prepping some basics. Pre-washing your greens, boiling grains in batches, or portioning out nuts and seeds for snacks can save you so much time during the week. Let's quickly revisit the 5 foods that can help renew your body. Leafy greens. Boost your energy and immune system while detoxifying your body. Berries fight free radicals, enhance digestion, and keep your skin glowing. Healthy fats. Support brain health, heart health, and skin radiance. Whole grains provide sustained energy and improve digestion. Fermented foods. Strengthen your gut health and supercharge your immunity. These foods are easy to find, affordable, and can be incorporated into your meals without any drastic changes to your routine. Start small, try 1 or 2, and see how they make you feel. Trust me, once you start noticing the difference, you'll be excited to add more. Here's my secret bonus tip. Spices like turmeric and ginger can also work wonders in helping your body feel renewed. Turmeric is anti-inflammatory, and ginger aids digestion and boosts immune function. A simple golden milk latte made with turmeric can be a delicious and nutritious treat that gives your body a boost. If you've made it this far, congratulations. You're already on your way to renewing your body and unlocking your best self. Now it's time for action. Try adding at least 1 of these foods into your meal plan this week. You don't need to change everything all at once. Small steps lead to sustainable results. And here's a challenge. Share in the comments below which of these foods you're most excited to try or how you already incorporate them into your diet. Let's inspire each other as a wellness community. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with someone looking for health inspiration, and subscribe to stay connected. We've got more exciting videos coming your way, from fitness tips to mental health hacks and everything in between. Thank you so much for watching and being part of this journey toward vibrant health. Remember, renewing your body starts with the foods you choose, and every small change counts. Until next time, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay radiant. Bye.